Hello. Welcome to Military Test. Today we are going to review a clone of the Benchmade Mini Bugout 533 knife. This knife has gained a lot of popularity in the knife community. So I wanted to give you my opinion on it. Design and build. Let's start with the design and build of this knife. The Mini Bugout has a sleek, minimalist design that is perfect for everyday carry. It has a 7 cm drop point blade made from CPMS 30V steel, which is a high quality steel that holds its edge well. The handle is made of nylon fiberglass, a lightweight yet durable material that makes the knife easy to carry and handle. The original version has the 𝗕𝗲𝗏 handle. The knife also has a reversible pocket clip that allows you to carry it tip up or down. Ease of use. When it comes to using the Mini Bugout, it's light, weighing only 41 grams. The knife has a smooth opening and closing action thanks to the axis lock mechanism, which is one of Benchmade's signature features. The lockup on this knife is also very tight and secure, so you don't have to worry about the blade accidentally closing on your fingers. The Mini Bugout also has a comfortable grip, thanks to the ergonomic design of the handle. Dimension. Overall length, 16.4 centimeters. Blade length, 7 centimeters. Blade width, 1.2 centimeters. Blade thickness, 2 millimeters. Weight, 41 grams. Blade material, 𝗕𝗏𝗏𝗏. Handle, nylon fiberglass. Handle length, 9.6 centimeters. Handle thickness, 10 millimeters. Performance. Now let's talk about the performance of the Mini Bugout clone. This knife is great for everyday tasks like opening packages or cutting through rope. The blade is sharp and holds its edge well, so you don't have to worry about constantly sharpening it. The knife also has a good balance between weight and size, making it easy to handle and maneuver. Overall impressions. So, what do I think of the Benchmade Mini Bugout 533 clone knife? I think it's an excellent everyday carry knife that is well designed, easy to use, and performs great. It's also lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry in your pocket or on your belt. An advantage of this knife is that it is cheap compared to the original and the quality is very good. You have a link in the description to the store where you can buy it at a very low price. Conclusion. If you're in the market for an everyday carry knife that is well built, easy to use, and performs great, then I highly recommend the Benchmade Mini Bugout 533 knife. Thanks for watching this review, and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below.